Balls. Can you name 10 types of balls in English? If not, don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know plus 10. Football. A round ball used in the game of soccer.
He kicked the football into the goal.
Basketball. A large ball used in the game of basketball.
She can shoot the basketball from far away.
Volleyball. A light ball used in the game of volleyball.
They played volleyball on the beach.
Tennis ball. A small green ball used in tennis.
The tennis ball went out of the court.
Golf ball. A small, hard white ball with tiny holes.
He hit the golf ball very far.
Baseball. A small, white ball used in baseball.
He caught the baseball with his glove.
Cricket ball. A hard red or white ball used in cricket.
The cricket ball hit the stumps.
Rugby ball. An oval-shaped ball used in rugby.
He threw the rugby ball to his friend.
Table tennis ball. A very small and light ball used in table tennis, ping pong.
The table tennis ball bounced off the table.
Bowling ball. A large and heavy ball used in bowling.
She rolled the bowling ball down the lane.
Handball. A small ball used in the sport of handball.
He scored with the handball.
Water polo ball. A waterproof ball used in water polo.
She passed the water polo ball to her teammate.
Lacrosse ball. A small rubber ball used in lacrosse.
The lacrosse ball flew across the field.
Snooker ball. Colored balls used in the game of snooker.
The red snooker ball went in first.
Which ball was new for you? Comment below and tell us. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.